mathematics class. Chapter name is complex numbers. In that complex numbers, we are going to discuss logarithm of a complex numbers. Logarithm of a complex numbers. Now see that. Let z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number. Complex number. Now this complex number first convert into polar form. So here, what is mod z? Mod z, that means r. R is equal to mod z, that is equal to under root x square plus y square. Now, what is amplitude? Theta. That is, what is the formula? Tan inverse of y by x. Okay. Now, z is equal to x plus iy. Convert into polar form. What is polar form? That is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That is, we can write directly cis theta. Yes or no? Or cis theta means we can write another form also. That is e power I theta. Now apply logarithm on both sides. We get log z, that is equal to logarithm of r into e power I theta. We know that formula, logarithm of AB. What is log AB formula? That is log A plus log B. This formula already you know very well, I think. Now this is split. We get logarithm R plus logarithm of e power I theta. Here base is E only. What is R? R means mod z. But right here, logarithm of mod z plus the power is coming in front of the logarithm I theta into, that is log e to the base c. What is log e to the base c? That value should be 1. So logarithm of mod z plus I theta. This is logarithm of a complex number formula. What is theta? Already we know that. Theta means tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Okay, this is a logarithm of a complex number concept. Here we can write another form also. Logarithm of a complex number z, that is equal to log mod z plus I into theta. Theta means amplitude of z or augment of z. So we can use these formulas. Tan inverse y by x means this is augment of z only. Next. Now I am going to discuss that. First one, logarithm of a complex number I. So z is a complex number I. Then what is mod z? Mod z is equal to, what is augment of z? That is equal to tan inverse of y by x. That means 1 by 0. That is tan inverse of infinite. That value should be pi by 2. By observing the formula, we know that logarithm of I means logarithm of mod z. That is 1 plus I into argument of z. Argument of z value is pi by 2. What is logarithm of 1? That is 0. 0 plus I into pi by 2. Finally, logarithm of I, that is equal to I pi by 2. This is one method. If you want another method, listen, I, this is a complex number. So this is, we can write 0 plus I into 1. Convert into polar form. Cos 90 0 plus I sin 90 1. Okay. This is, we can write e power I pi by 2 or not. This pi by 2 means that is e power I. Apply logarithm on both sides. What you will get? Logarithm of I is equal to logarithm of e power I pi by 2. Now the power is coming in front of the logarithm I pi by 2. Log e to the base e value. Finally, answer is I pi by 2. Okay. Same like that. Find logarithm of minus I. Minus minus I means how to convert in polar form? 0 plus I into minus 1. So this is, we can write cos of minus pi by 2 plus I into sine of minus pi by 2. Now this is e power minus I pi by 2. In place of I minus I, write that value e power minus I pi by 2. Power is coming in front of the logarithm. You'll get minus I pi by 2. Log e to the base e value is 1. So finally, logarithm of minus I. So what is the answer? Minus I into pi by 2. You can follow the formula method or polar form method. Both are easy only. Now, I'm going to third problem. Logarithm of I power I. How to do this? Power is coming in front of the logarithm. I log I. Okay. What is log I value? Log I means that is I pi by 2. Previous already we had done. I into I square. I square value minus. So answer is minus pi by 2. This answer. Now sometimes they will give the question like this. Sine of logarithm of I power I plus cos of logarithm of I power I. This is the question. Now sine of, what is logarithm of I power I? Now only we got that value should be minus pi by 2. Substitute here. Sine of minus pi by 2 plus cos of minus pi by 2. Sine of minus theta minus sin theta minus sin 90 degrees 1 cos of minus theta cos 90 is 0. Finally, what is the answer? Minus 1. Next, logarithm of log I, log of log I. This is a problem. Log of, what is log I value? Now only we are done. Log I value is I pi by 2. Remember it, one formula like that. Okay, so that is I pi by 2. Now this is in the form of log AB. What is log AB formula? Log A plus log B. This is the formula. Again observe here log IK. What is log I value? I pi by 2. So final answer is log of log I is equal to I pi by 2 plus log pi by 2. This is the answer. Right. I'm going to next page. Seventh one. That is logarithm of a minus ib divided by a plus ib. Logarithm of a complex number. How to do this? This is in the form of log x divided by y. Log x divided by y means what is the formula? Log a by b. Log a minus log b, a plus ib. Logarithm of a complex number formula, we know that is logarithm of mod a minus ib plus I into tan inverse of. So what we get? Minus b by a minus here logarithm of mod a plus ib. Next term positive will come, outside negative is there, negative into positive, negative. I tan inverse minus b by a. Now see here, mod a minus ib. What is the formula? Under root a square plus b square. Tan inverse of minus theta minus tan inverse of x minus tan inverse x. This is a tan inverse b by a minus logarithm of mod a plus ib, that is under root a square plus b square, minus I into tan inverse b by a. Here observe that any term is going to cancel. Yes, log under root a square plus b square minus log under root a square plus b square cancel. What are the remaining terms? That is minus 2i into tan inverse b by a. This is logarithm of a minus ib by a plus ib. Okay. Now minus sign left hand side. get minus logarithm of a minus ib by a plus ib, that is equal to 2i tan inverse b by a. Now, in front of logarithm minus is there, it is going to power. Now we get logarithm of a minus ib divided by a plus ib power minus 1. That is equal to 2i tan inverse b by a. So finally, what we have to write, that means power minus 1 is there. It is going to reciprocal or not. Now this is logarithm of a plus ib divided by a minus ib, that is equal to 2i tan inverse b by a. This is so logarithm of a minus ib by a plus ib formula minus 2i tan inverse b by a, and logarithm of a plus ib by a minus ib means 2i tan inverse b by a. So by using this concept to do some problems, this is first problem. So this is do your log of 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Observe here, what is A and B value? 1. And this is another problem. Try yourself. Logarithm of 1 plus root 3, 1 plus I root 3 divided by 1 minus I root 3. By using those two formulas, solve these two problems. Instead of A and B identify the value, just substitute, you'll get answer. Next, eighth one. If Z is equal to logarithm of A minus IB divided by A plus IB, then first bit, first bit, this is sine of IZ. Second bit, cos of IZ. Third bit, tan of IZ. These values we need to find. These are important in mains and advanced. These are not important in IP particularly. Now, here Z is equal to logarithm of A minus IB divided by A plus IB. What is the formula? That is minus 2i tan inverse of B by A. This is the formula. But observe the first, second, third bit. First, second, third bit. Those are IZ terms are there. IZ terms. Find IZ value. IZ is equal to multiply I on both sides. In right hand side, I into I square minus into minus plus. We get tan inverse of B by A. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the first bit. Sine of IZ. Sine of IZ. That is sine of 2 tan inverse B by A. Now 2 tan inverse of X value in terms of sine inverse. What is the formula? This is sine inverse of 2 into B by A divided by 1 plus B by A whole square. This is now sine inverse is going to cancel. remaining part answer is 2ab by a square plus b square. Do some calculation, you will get this. Okay. Similarly, do that cos of ij, cos of ij, that is cos of 2 tan inverse b by a. Now 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of cos inverse, this is cos inverse of 1 minus b by a whole square by 1 plus b by a whole square. Now calculate this. Cos inverse cancel, and here take the LCM. Finally you'll get answer a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is the answer of second bit. Now observe the third one. What they are given here? Tan of ij, tan of 2 tan inverse b by a. Now 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of tan. What is that? Tan of tan inverse of 2x by tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. That means 2 into b by a by 1 minus b by a whole square. Now calculate this. Tan inverse is going to cancel. You will get the answer 2ab by a square minus b square. I think all of you understood now. You have to remember it. 2 tan inverse x formula in terms of tan. Sine inverse of 2 tan x by 1 plus, sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. In terms of cos inverse formula, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. In terms of tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. Use that formula, you will get sin ij, cos ij, tan ij. Similarly, you can find cot ij also.